All right, guys, we have wainman18. Wainman18, he has a hobby box and a free 3D box, which could be good or amazing, or it could be terrible. I just had a couple really bad ones. All right, well, good luck. Let's see what I can hit you. Joe Musgrove. Mancada. Acuna. Prism. Not yet. Not yet. Matt Vierling. Joey Votto. Max Kranick. Gavin Sheets. Lourdes Gurriel. Jose Siri. Yordan Alvarez. JT Realmuto. Wander Franco. Insert. All right. First half of the box. All right, second half coming up. Jared Walsh. Franmil Reyes, purple. Teoscar. Herman Marquez. Shohei. Jake Berger, that's your second auto. Jose Abreu, ringworm. John Lester. All right, that is it. Purple auto and a burger base auto. Burger base making me hungry. Oh boy. All right, let's see what we can get out of this free box of 3D. All right, Ketel Marte, Luis Gil, Valadito, Chris Bryant, Christian Yelich, Julio, Gavin Sheets, and Trevor Story. So we did get a Julio. It's the insert Julio, so not quite as valuable, but still pretty cool. And then, of course, a Vladdy. So this is what we have. Vladdy, Julio, Jared Walsh, Franmil Reyes, Teoscar Hernandez, Jake Berger, John Lester, Acuna, Max Kranick, Lourdes Gurriel, and Wander Franco insert. And that is all for wainman18. All right. Thank you very much, sir. Saving your video.